What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. 2012 Ford Focus ST. We are removing the front emblem here. We're about to put a pretty killer lit emblem that's going to replace this one, but we have to remove this one first. So use a powerful hair dryer and heat it up because it's got foam tape that's holding it on behind there. You know, there's foam tape behind it. And this car is more than 10 years old, so we know that that tape is going to be difficult to remove. So put your hair dryer next to it for several minutes. You know, let it soften it up, and then you may have to use like a slim screwdriver or something behind it, and you should be able to pull it right off. So wait till it feels warm to the touch. This right here, once it feels good and warm, I'm going to use, you know, like a knife. Okay, I'm going to use, you know, just use any kind of slim thing. It's still warm back behind there, so pry it off. Just do it gently and carefully. Very careful. There it comes. Now, if you're going to replace it with the one that's lit behind it, they say to get a Dremel tool and cut the outline right around through here. So, you know, do that however you can. And then your little lit device will come behind it there and self-adhesive into that area there. I don't have the instructions on hand right now, but that's how it's done. You got to remove the old one first, like we've done there. So we're going to put a pretty killer lit logo that is going to be pretty awesome. We got other videos about this car on our channel. Cleaning her K&N air filter. She's about to get all new headlight assemblies, taillight assemblies, all coming this weekend. We just did a Focus RS shift knob to replace her worn out one. So this little car is getting some killer little aesthetic upgrades. And she loves this thing, man. Drives the heck out of it. And it's a great little fun car. Anyway, check out our channel. We got hundreds of other videos that might help you. All kind of stuff working around the house. Golf carts, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, Harleys, motocross bikes. All kind of cool stuff. So check it out. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen. And please send a donation. We appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.